Copyright disclaimer. Under Title 17 U.S.C. Section 107, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use. Okay, guys, this is dated 18 July 2024. This is from Daily Mail. Pricilla Presley, 79, sues ex-business associates, you guys know they're probably Scientologists, for financial elder abuse, as Star claims they stole over $1 million from her. Wish they would teach AI to capitalize titles. By Eve Buckland and Adam Levy for dailymail.com. Pricilla Presley is suing several former business associates for financial elder abuse amid claims they stole over $1 million from her. Boy, the ads, just too much. In a lawsuit obtained by dailymail.com, the 79-year-old ex-wife of Elvis Presley claims Bridget Cruz, please go look those names up, you guys, if you don't mind, Kevin Fiacco, Vay Sislan, very foreign names, aren't they? And Lynn Walker Wright preyed on her, oh, I believe it, and took control of her finances, forcing her into a form of indentured servitude in a meticulously planned and abhorrent scheme. You guys know they have to be Scientologists, but probably for legal reasons they're not putting Scientology in there. Pricilla says she met Cruz, that looks maybe German or something, who sued her. Oh, that's another way to financially abuse someone. Scientology would know. Sued her in February for breach of contract. In 2021, when Cruz ran a business selling Elvis memorabilia through an auction house. Well, you know what, you guys? If for some reason it's not Scientology related, it's pertinent to all the things going on. And I imagine her heart is broken since Lisa Marie has passed. So now she's like, you know what, F all of you. The lawsuit claims Cruz convinced Pricilla. I just have a feeling Scientology's involved. Her former financial advisors were either deceitful or incompetent before allegedly duping her into signing contracts and forming companies which allowed her and her associates to get 80% of her income. Wow. It sounds like Britney Spears. It sounds like, oh, what's the other one that BJ Investigates covers? Bam. Leaving Presley with just 20% of her own company. Pricilla claims the group left her with minority shares in companies they created which profited off her name, image, and likeness. You guys think celebrities have it so great. It's not always so great. The lawsuit is also against Pricilla Presley Partners, LLC. She's gotten a lot of, like, what are those called, fillers? Anyways, I'm not here to criticize her. Pricilla Presley is suing several former business associates for financial elder abuse amid claims they stole over $1 million from her. The lawsuit alleges funds from 2023 biopic Pricilla, which starred Jacob Elordi and Kaylee Spiani, were also misappropriated and bans brands Cruz a con artist and pathological liar. There's another story here. I do wonder if it had to do with Lisa Marie's death. I don't know a lot of her health issues. I know she admitted she had past drug use, but she also got, and I'm talking about Lisa Marie. Lisa Marie didn't share it with that many people, but she had gone and gotten, I think, a lap band surgery, for the, so you don't overeat. And she died from, I think the coroner said she died from obstructed bowel. So, which was horrible. I feel so sad for her. But, again, too, she didn't want to go to doctors because of Scientology. It's just sad all around. I just wonder if part of Lisa Marie passing away was because of all of this stress. Presley also claims her ex-business associates torpedoed a deal for the star to get an ownership interest in a cosmetics company, but instead settled for a $300,000 upfront payment, which she says they put in their own bank accounts. The lawsuit claims the associates were setting up new accounts at their preferred banks. I want to know if these guys are Scientologists. And poisoning the relationship Presley had for many years with her financial institutions. You guys know what it sounds like. You guys know. That sounds like safe pointing. Adding themselves to her bank accounts. Oh my gosh. Without permission, I think. Transferring funds between accounts into their own personal accounts. And entering into sham insider transactions for their own benefit. The lawsuit also claims Cruz and associates took $40,000 out of an account for her son, Navarone Garibaldi, without authorization, tried to make deals related to the late Lisa Marie Presley's estate. Just scumbags, scumbags. That goes back to my video about vultures. And fraudulently charged Pricilla for moving and storage expenses. Wow. Pricilla, who is represented by Marty Singer, is suing Cruz for more than $1 million in damages. I hope she gets every cent that she is owed, and wants the contract she signed with Cruz and the other defendants voided. It would be nice if Scientologists could get some of that understanding. Legal representatives for Cruz and Kevin Fialco told DailyMail.com the suit filed is retaliatory. Oh, where does that sound? What does that sound like? Retaliatory lawsuit due to the one filed by Priscilla's business partners last year. We are confident that the facts will speak for themselves. Ooh. And justice will prevail. Ooh, fancy talk. It saddens us. Ooh, oh, it saddens you. All of us who dropped our lives to provide aid to a woman who needed help, and she is now attempting to use her celebrity status to ruin the lives of kind, hardworking people. Well, I don't know. Thank you to all of our supporters who have stood by us during this difficult time. We will continue to focus on our business and look forward to our day in court. The truth will come out by way of evidence and not rumors. There will be no further comment at this time, as we respect the judicial process. And there's something going on with Graceland. I think Dodge Landsman covered it. There's like an estate sale or something. In February 2024, Cruz said in her lawsuit against the star that she prevented her financial ruin and public embarrassment. Sounds like a narcissist. I mean, I don't know. I wasn't there. Cruz said in legal docs reviewed by TMZ that she and actress began a company, Pricilla Presley Partners, in 2022. In the court papers, which were filed last September, Cruz said that she provided management to Pricilla for her business and personal affairs at a critical time when the celebrity was running perilously low on funds. In a lawsuit obtained by DailyMail.com, you know a lot of these articles are to handle as well. The 79-year-old ex-wife of Elvis Presley claims Bridget Cruz, Kevin Fialco, Vay Sislan, and Lynn Walker Wright preyed on her. Cruz was posted alongside Pricilla in an August 27, 2021 Instagram post in which she advertised on September 4th, 2021 luncheon in Beverly Hills, California. I forget when Lisa Marie had passed. The lawsuit claims, Jesus goes on. The lawsuit claims Cruz convinced Pricilla her former financial advisors were either deceitful or incompetent. Well, and that's where handlers would come in, right? Where would handlers come in as financial advisors? Before allegedly duping her into signing contracts, informing companies which allowed her and her associates to get 80% of her income, leaving Presley with just 20% of her own company. It's a nice picture. It's really sad what happened to Elvis. Celebrity is just not all it's cracked up to be, honestly. She still looks nice, in my opinion. Pricilla had outstanding tax debts of $700,000 at the time. Cruz told the court. Cruz said Presley had been about 60 days away from financial collapse when she swooped in and got her affairs in order. Cruz told the court that she spent a significant amount of money and time working on projects for Pricilla to capitalize on from publicity of the Sofia Coppola biopic, Pricilla, which was released in October of 2023. Cruz, who is suing for breach of contract, said that Pricilla in August of 2023 ceased all contact with her and has not compensated her for money she's made on projects that she had worked on. It does make me wonder, I don't know the whole story. Priscilla's lawyer, Singer, said that the star ceased working with Cruz when she found out Cruz and her associate were attempting to misappropriate Miss Presley's assets and were engaging in other acts of wrongdoing. You know what, though? They have hard evidence that she was doing that, so I tend to veer towards what Pricilla Presley is suing for. Singer said Pricilla made significant claims against PPP and its principals Bridget Cruz and Kevin Fialco for misappropriating hundreds of thousands of dollars long before this specious lawsuit was filed. He added, "We fully anticipate that my client will be vindicated and obtain a judgment against them." It sounds to me like what I'm seeing here, that she's in the right. I hope she gets every dime back. She was posed alongside Pricilla in an August 27th. Okay, we already read that. I don't know why these freaking articles do that. They put the same thing in. Maybe AI is creating the articles. The ads, it's just unbelievable. On December 30th, 2022, Cruz advertised an event featuring Pricilla slated for January 5th, 2023 at the Vineyard Wine Bar and Healthy Bistro in Orlando, Florida. In an October 2021 bio on her social media page, Cruz was described as a founder and lead auctioneer for world-renowned Auction House, a powerful force in the auction industry, and an amazing advocate for those less fortunate. Always gotta focus on people's rear ends nowadays. Can't imagine why that would be. The description continued from her record-breaking auctions in entertainment, memorabilia, haute couture fashion, fine jewelry, and royal artifacts. She still has never stopped giving back to her community and those causes which are important to her. You know, I can really appreciate that. Okay. I will leave a link in the description box. Like and subscribe if you choose. Otherwise, have an amazing day or night wherever you are. Peace.